Welcome to Powers Affordable Housing, an answer to affordable structures that can be used for housing, office space, or whatever you can imagine to meet your need. This affordable shelter is constructed from a 10,000-pound basic kit of steel parts that is economical to ship. The kit is easily assembled by experienced do-it-yourselfers using screws or a button punch in the field. The unique design and steel components are the bones to an incredibly sturdy structure, resistant to rust, wind, snow, and other extreme weather. The basic kit contains 5 major pieces: tracks, panels, corners, posts, and trusses. Tracks are bolted directly to a cement foundation slab. The panels slide right into the track. The panels themselves are the bones of the structure. Each pair of panels creates a standard 16-inch center stud, which eliminates the need of an interior wooden skeleton. And the same wall panels are also used for the roof. Panels are joined at the corner joint. Prefabricated portals are cut to standard sizes for windows and doors, readily available from your preferred home improvement supplier. Trusses, posts, and exterior wall panels bear the structure's entire load, so the inner walls can be placed in any floor plan configuration you desire. Trusses extend from the walls to provide energy-saving shade. Each Steelhouse basic kit creates a structure that is 1,200 square feet of space. A wall can divide the main room of the structure to create 2 independent 600 square foot homes. And you can increase the length of the home with as many basic kits as you like. For over 20 years, Powers Steel manufactured storage spaces using steel materials. That know-how, combined with new design and innovation, delivers a customizable and economical solution for housing, offices, storage, or whatever you can imagine. Powers Affordable Housing, manufactured in Phoenix, Arizona, using American steel, patent pending.